Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have two Glam DIYs that we're making with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So here we have the glossy Mod Podge. We're going to be applying glitter to this trunk that I went ahead and pre-painted in black and white. Okay, so after applying all of the glitter with this Mod Podge and embellishing with the gems, I went back and resealed everything with the Mod Podge so that we wouldn't have any fallout, and this was the end result. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm loving it. Okay, so now for the second DIY, I decided to make a Glam centerpiece for the table using crushed glass that I purchased at Michael's. So now we will be using the Mod Podge, and these vases I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. Remember when you're shopping at Michael's to bring your coupon. Sometimes it's 40%, 50%, and maybe even 60%. So this way you can get your discount when you're purchasing your crushed glass or anything else that you're purchasing. This particular crushed glass has mirror pieces in it, and I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's gorgeous and very glam. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're applying the Mod Podge and then we're applying the crushed glass. So this is all one layer to all of the pieces. We're going to let that completely dry, and then we're going to repeat the process. Let that dry, and then we can go ahead and continue on with the gluing process. So after we've Mod Podged twice and applied the crushed glass twice, let that completely dry. We do have to go back in and reseal all of that glass so that we don't have any fallout. So, and then you have to let that completely dry before we go ahead and start the gluing process, meaning we start layering or placing our stand, and you'll see that as we continue on with the video. So this project turned out better than what I ever thought it was going to turn out. This Glam centerpiece is absolutely gorgeous. It's great for any event and any occasion. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.